Hey guys, so today's the day. I finally got my hands on the fake Zulu palette by Juvias, and just like the Saharan 2, it says the magic on there. They could not be bothered to put Zulu on there, and as I expected as well, it is absolutely tiny. I'm gonna do a video where I compare the real Zulu palette to this fake Zulu palette, but I just wanted to show you what the fake looks like on its own before I do a comparison video. So this is how it came, and it's like the artwork is still really pretty, but because I have the genuine one, I can tell that this is just like print. It's not even a good print. It's just it's so small. This was the size that I expected the genuine one to be. To be fair, I expected it to be around this size, but it came a lot bigger. So anyway, so it doesn't have anything on the back, on the top either, and it just feels flat. The real one, the print was raised. So this isn't even a box. This is just one of those sleeve things. Again, just like the Saharan 2 fake, it came in a sleeve. And this here is what the palette looks like. Now, the palette itself is kind of like grey. It's not white, it's kind of like off-white, it's almost grey. The colour of the print and the colour of the artwork is just not vibrant. It's not vibrant, it's just so dull. It's dull. So here is what the palette itself looks like. It does come with the little plastic cover thing, and you can see how pastel-y the shades look. They look like pastels, they don't look like the real deal, Holyfield. So it has the artwork on the top here, but it's on like a purple background. It's not on a pink background, it's on a purple one. And again, it just looks like it just looks like it's been photocopied. It's kind of like fuzzy in places where it should be defined. Here are the colors. Even when I looked at the picture of this, oh, by the way, I got this on DHgate for $7.50 or something like that. But even when I looked at the picture, it was just so off. It was so off. But I wanted to get it just so I can show you guys, so you can be aware of what you purchase when you're on websites like eBay, Wish, Amazon, wherever. So I'm going to do some swatches of this palette so you can see exactly what the payoff is like. And even when I look at these shades, it's like this one and this one, they're supposed to be mattes and they're not mattes. This is supposed to be a brown. It's not brown, it's like pink. This is supposed to be like a pink with a gold shift, a shimmer color, and it's just like a brown shimmer. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. But I'm going to swatch these so that you can see what the swatches are like. Yeah, there are so many telltale signs. Okay, so this is the first color up here. That's what that looks like. Ew. Okay, next shade is this yellow here. So it looks like on the finger. Next is this here. Next is this green, so it looks like on the finger. Next is this green here. Next is this blue here, and none of these have names, not even in the original. That's what it looks like on my finger. Next is this shade here, and that's just like a straight up shimmer brown. Then we got this red here. Oh wow, there's so much fallout, like that literally just crumbled. Oh my gosh, that is just crumbly AF. And if I can try to show you, like in the pan, you can like look at all of that, and I literally just went That's crazy. Okay, next and lastly is this purple shade here. So that's all of the shades. They are not like the original at all. They're not like the original. I wasn't 100% taken aback by the original. I do like the shimmers in the genuine, but the mattes were quite patchy. But with this, it comes with what, 2 mattes, and that's these two, the first two up here. You'll know that you're getting a fake because this is like so tiny. The print is just so fuzzy. It's fuzzy as hell. Like, I don't know if you can see how, like, it's just fuzzy. It's not as like clean and as precise as the original. But yeah, so you'll know that you're getting a fake because this is just, it's like the colors are just so out of whack. Like, that is supposed to be a brown. That's supposed to be a brown, and it's like a red. It's red. Like, it's red. I think this one is supposed to be a matte as well, if I remember correctly. This one's supposed to be a matte, and these two are definitely supposed to be mattes. This is supposed to be a pink with a gold shift. This is brown. You'll know that you're getting a fake if you pick up if you end up getting this palette. You'll know that this is a fake. Like, this is not Juvia's work. This is just not their work at all. As I said, I'm going to do a video where I am pitting the two against each other and comparing the two so you can see swatch by swatch next to one another. But we already know, and I've already told you guys before about, you know, what to look out for when it comes to these fakes. Obviously it varies from palette to palette, but with these ones, I'm surprised that they're even selling this, thinking that it's going to fool anyone. Like, who did they think that they were gonna fool? Like, obviously when I'm buying off of DHgate and stuff like that, I know that I'm picking up a fake. That's the whole purpose of me buying it, is so I can show you, so you don't get fooled and get a fake. And obviously one of the biggest telltale signs is price. As I've said 1,000,001 times, if it's like, this is what, $7.50, that equates to about £6 something or £5 something in pound sterling, something like that. It was literally, it wasn't that much. But it's like my Saharan 2 palette that I got off of eBay, that was like £6.50. And I see some of these people who are leaving feedback for some of these palettes on eBay. Oh, it's fake, it's this, it's that, and it's like, bought it for £6.50. What made you think that a palette which is worth, how much is this genuine one worth? On Beauty Bay, it's £20. However much it is in the States, I don't, probably about $25. Let's just say it's about $25. So let's just say a $25 palette you're getting for £6.50 and you're expecting it to be genuine. We need to start waking up, okay? We need to start waking up. So yeah, don't get this. It's like, these are the swatches. They're not close. They're not even close. They're not even close. But I will show you that they're not close in my comparison video. I can't wait to do the comparison video. I can't wait to do the Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and put me on notification, and I'll see you in the next one.